art friends, we're going to be drawing a character from The Office, and so I think we're going to do Dwight K. Schrute. He's a very funny character. All right, so I'm going to start out with my pencil. He has got a great big forehead, and then kind of a great big chin too. So I'm just going to kind of lay this out. There we go. And he's going to have a little, there we go, little body underneath. All right, so here we go. You guys draw with your pencil so that you can change it around if you wish. So we're going to start down at the bottom with his chin. And then he's got another line under his chin like that. And we're going to have this guy looking kind of straight on at us. So we're going to draw some lines coming up like so. And then we're going to draw another line coming up, around, and back down. And then we got a V right here where his hair separates. Like that. And then we got another zigzag like that, and there is his hair. And then we got a funny little ear over here, just like so. We'll put a little detail in that. And we got just a little bit of an ear on this side. And then we've got his glasses. Okay, so for his glasses, they're going to kind of come down like this and then come back up like that. Actually, this one's going to go, there we go. We'll make those a little bit bigger. Nice work. All right, then we're going to come back down and around. And then we're going to have a little nose like that. And the glasses are going to come down and around. And then we're going to have the nose kind of end up here, kind of, because he's furrowing his eyebrows. And we're going to have an eyebrow here. Eye underneath, and there's his Dwight K. Schrute eye. I guess, is this what all beet farmers' eyeballs look like? There we go. I'm going to take this one over just a little bit more. There we go. Circle. We're going to have line coming down. Like that. Line coming up. And then a little line underneath like that. We'll give him a little chin. All right, he has a gigantic forehead. Yes, he does. All right, so now we're gonna give him a little bitty body. So we're gonna start with his teeny tiny little neck right there. And then we're gonna draw a V under it like we've done before. Come down on both sides. Draw V's underneath. And I'm gonna go like a V there. And then, let's see. We're gonna have him holding a stapler. like the one that got put in Jello. There we go, there's the stapler. And then we're gonna put some little shoulders on him. And he's got a suit coat on, of course. I'm just making an M down the way there. I'm gonna make an M here for his hand. I should have done this in pencil. I'm going to color over that line right there. All right, let's go down this side right here. There's his hand holding the little thing there. Oh, I forgot to draw the rest of his tie. There we go. And then we've got the rest of his suit. There we are. And then we'll put his little pants on him. Just like that. Letter U. Letter U. And I think that looks like Dwight K. Schrute. Nice work. Okay, hey, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.